How to plan your wedding in simple steps. The planning process for a wedding is an exciting and joyful time, and it is full with expectation. You can plan a lovely and special day for you and your future husband with some time, patience, and flexibility. Because wedding planning is difficult, you'll need to do extensive research as you go. There are a few easy measures you can start with in the interim. Set a firm budget first, then collaborate with your partner to choose a date and create your guest list. 1. Determine your spending limit together with your partner. You and your spouse need to sit down and discuss your income, spending, and savings, if any, before you create a budget and begin wedding planning. To calculate how much money you will have left over, start by listing how much money you both make each month. Then, remove your combined monthly expenses. 2. Find out how much, if any, your families can contribute. Asking for money from your family might be challenging. However, if you and your family are close, there's a good chance that they will want to assist you in any way they can. Have an honest discussion about their ability to contribute, and how much, with your parents, grandparents, and other close relatives. 3. Choose the number of guests you want to invite. Make a guest list together with your partner by sitting down. This doesn't have to be your final guest list, just try to estimate the approximate number of guests that will attend your wedding. Even if your wedding is really straightforward, having more guests implies spending more money. 4. Together, decide on some expenditure priorities. Talk to your partner about the elements of the wedding that mean the most to you both. Each of you can begin by compiling a list of must-haves and selecting your top 3 from it. Then combine your 2 lists to see if they are compatible. This will enable you to choose your location. 5. Look up average wedding costs. When you know what you want to buy with your money, do some online research to find out how much it will probably cost. To receive more precise price quotes, you can also give local vendors and venues a call. 6. Find strategies to reduce spending. Spend some time re-evaluating your priorities if your budget projections are much higher than what you are willing or able to spend. Start by eliminating any services or goods that you don't consider to be necessary. 7. By enlisting the assistance of friends and family, you can save money. Asking competent friends and family members to step in and provide some of your wedding services, like photography, live music, or hair and cosmetics for the bridal party, is another method to save costs. They'll most likely be grateful that you asked and will probably give you a far lesser price than a real expert would. 8. Make a spreadsheet for your budget. It's time to list your expenses once you have a good notion of how much everything will cost you. This will assist you in keeping track of your expenses and ensuring that you stay within your budget. Create a spreadsheet on your own or search online for a template using terms like wedding budget template. 9. Decide on a date as soon as you can. Setting at least a broad timeline as soon as you can will help with the coordination that goes into planning a wedding. It will be simpler for you to organize with party participants, vendors, locations, and visitors as a result. 10. Make a timetable for planning. Making a timeline may help you feel more in control of the organizing process once you've decided on a date and finalized your budget. We wish you all the best and lots of fun planning your wedding. Please like and subscribe to our channel for life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.